Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Maneater game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing or low FPS issue on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Now in the under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game file. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, now launch the game and check. If not, next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Here you have to click on firewall network protection. Now click on allow an app through firewall. After that, click on change settings and here you have to search for the game if it's listed. If you cannot find the game, no need to worry. Click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application. Now once you add the game to the list over here, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. If not, next is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage and now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, now click on compatibility and then select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK and launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7. Hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If the issue still occurs, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations. Hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it is working now. If the issue still occurs, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for a device manager. Here you have to expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadow Player or MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to clear download cache. So for that, go to Steam and now click on Steam option, click on settings, go below, click on downloads and then here you have to click on clear cache option beside clear download cache. Now this will show you that this will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam again. So you have to confirm it. Now after confirming it, log into Steam again and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. After you open it, you will get repair or install option. You just have to click on the repair option and you have to wait for some time unless you get setup successful message. Now close this and then restart your PC once. After your PC restarts, now log into the game and check. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, go below, click on in-game and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable it, now check if the game is launching or not. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, Click on general and switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next is to install DirectX on your system. For that, I have already given this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on download option. This will download DirectX. You have to open it and install it. After installing it, restart your PC once. After restarting, now log into the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to disable antivirus software. So if you are having any antivirus software installed on your system, you are suggested to disable it once before you try to launch the game. This will surely help to fix the problem. If not, next is to run game as dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for graphics settings. Here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add desktop app. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now once the game is listed here, you have to click on the arrow icon and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. Now after selecting high performance, launch the game and then check if it's working. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Maneater game. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. Now after that, restart your PC once, and once your PC restarts, launch Steam and reinstall Maneater game once again, and then click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these solutions will help you to resolve Maneater game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, low FPS issue on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.